This material is from National Open University of Nigeria. My name is Dan Asukwo, your instructor. If you are a noun student or from any other universities, this will be very useful for you. Please do well to share it with others as well as on your study groups. Do you want a video of any other GST? If so, let us know at the comment section if this is your first time of coming across our videos. Then do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share for others too to benefit. The following are the likely asked questions and answers. 1. What are the major classifications of the history of philosophy? The major classifications are Ancient Age, Medieval Age, Modern Age, Late Modern Age, and Contemporary Philosophy. 2. What are the main philosophical preoccupations of the Ancient Age? The main preoccupations include inquiries into the nature of existence, being, the cosmos, and the ultimate source of all things. 3. Who is considered the first proper philosopher and what was his primary belief? Thales of Miletus is considered the first proper philosopher, and he believed that the primary source of all things in the universe is water. 4. What distinguishes the pre-Socratic philosophers from the Socratic philosophers? Pre-Socratic philosophers focused on metaphysics and the nature of reality, while Socratic philosophers were more concerned with ethics and how people should behave. 5. What is the Socratic method and who developed it? The Socratic method is a system of critical reasoning developed by Socrates to work out how to live properly and discern right from wrong. 6. What was Plato's theory of forms and how did it influence his philosophy? Plato's theory of forms posited that the world we perceive is composed of mere representations of pure ideal forms, which have their own existence elsewhere. 7. Who was Aristotle's teacher and what system of logic did he engage in? Aristotle's teacher was Plato, and he engaged in a system of logic called deductive logic, which emphasized syllogism. 8. What were the main philosophical movements of the Socratic age? The main movements were Sophism, Cynicism, Skepticism, Epicureanism, Hedonism, Stoicism, and Neoplatonism. 9. What did the Sophists believe about knowledge and truth? The Sophists held a relativistic view on knowledge, believing that there is no absolute truth and that two points of view can be acceptable at the same time. 10. Who was the founder of Cynicism and what lifestyle did they advocate? Diogenes was the founder of Cynicism, advocating a life free from possessions and property as the path to achieving virtue. 11. What was Pyrrhonism and who was its founder? Pyrrhonism, founded by Pyrrho, held that we should suspend judgment on everything as the only way of achieving inner peace due to our inability to know the true substance of things. 12. What was Epicurus's main goal, and how did he propose to achieve it? Epicurus's main goal was to attain happiness and tranquility through leading a simple, moderate life, cultivating friendships and limiting desires. 13. What did the Stoics emphasize as a means of overcoming destructive emotions? The Stoics emphasized self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions in order to develop clear judgment and inner calm. 14. What was the main influence of Neoplatonism, and who developed it? Neoplatonism, largely developed by Plotinus, became a strong influence on early Christianity, teaching the existence of an ineffable and transcendent one. 15. What was the conclusion drawn about the development of philosophy from the ancient age to the time of Aristotle? Philosophy evolved from a mere idea in the pre-Socratic era to a discipline of inquiry encompassing human existence and the nature of the cosmos, with various ideas developed by individual philosophers and movements. 16. How did Anaximander's view differ from Thales's regarding the primary source of all things? Anaximander believed that the primary source of all things could not be any known element, and must be infinite and indeterminate, unlike Thales, who believed it was water. 17. What did Zeno of Elea contribute to the study of logic? Zeno of Elea contributed paradoxes of motion, which helped lay the foundations for the study of logic. 18. What were some key aspects of Plato's political philosophy? Plato's political philosophy included the idea of a society led by wise philosopher kings, with distinct societal classes based on the tripartite division of the soul. 19. How did Aristotle view the relationship between form and matter? Unlike Plato, Aristotle believed that form and matter cannot be separated and cannot exist apart from each other. 20. What was the main contribution of Socrates to philosophy? Socrates' main contribution was the development of the Socratic method, a system of critical reasoning to discern how to live properly and distinguish right from wrong.